So how you can create image backdrop in Canva? So it's pretty simple. We're gonna need our image where we want to create the backdrop. The best option is to place here some image without the background, like this one. So you can place here the image, and here is the background remover, but it's in pro version. If you don't want to pay for it, you can go to remove.bg, click on upload image, and add here image which you want to create, and create backdrop. Click on open, wait until the background is removed, then click on download, and you can download it for free. Then place it to your Canva project and make sure to click it, go to edit, and on the left we want to go to shadows. It's under effects. Go to shadows, and here you're gonna find backdrop down here. Click it, and as you can see, here is the backdrop of that image. For the best result, it's very important that you don't have the background of that image. So you can see here the backdrop. Down here you can customize it. You can change the blur amount. You can change the direction, change the color and intensity. So that's it. Let me show you how it looks when you don't remove the background. For example, this, I'm gonna repeat the process, shadows, and it's backdropping the whole image, so it's only this square. So it's that simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.